Hi, I'm Chris Hudig, Technical Sales Manager for the Karnak Corporation. Today I'm going to show you how to make a roof repair with Karnak 19 Ultra. 19 Ultra rubberized flashing cement is our premier flashing cement. This flashing cement not only makes repairs on a dry surface, but you can also make them on a wet surface, even underwater or if it's raining outside. What we have here is ponded water. This roof has improper slope and is holding water. There's a leak inside the building, and I'm going to fix it today using Karnak 19 Ultra in a 3-course repair with Karnak 31 fiberglass membrane. The tools we'll be using today are going to be a whisk broom to remove some dirt and dust from the surface, our trowel, and some pre-cut pieces of Karnak 31 fiberglass membrane, as well as the Karnak 19 Ultra. I'm going to take a whisk broom and just brush away any dust or dirt. I just want to make sure that I got positive adhesion and don't have any dirt to interfere with the bond. We'll be taking our Karnak 19 Ultra, spreading a layer down, and embedding our 31 fiberglass membrane into it. Ultra's got a special water displacement chemical that actually pushes the water away, allowing the material to stick directly to the roof surface, and then applying another layer of Karnak Ultra over top. The fix we're doing today is actually a permanent repair. We won't need to come back and do anything else. We'll be able to seal the roof underwater. Obviously, we can even do this if it was raining outside. 90% of your roof leaks are going to be around the perimeter of a roof, penetrations, and parapet walls like what we have here today. This crack right here is going to let water in, so this is what we want to seal. In order to do that, you're going to need gloves to keep your hands clean, safety glasses, which are always good to wear, a broom to brush away dust and dirt, a trowel, Karnak 31 fiberglass membrane, and a knife to cut the fabric. Now that I found out where I need to make my repair here, I'm going to take a whisk broom and just brush away any dust or dirt. I just want to make sure that I got positive adhesion and don't have any dirt to interfere with the bond. I'm going to take the 19 Ultra rubberized flashing cement right out of the can. As you can see, it's very easy to use. I'm going to apply it to the surface in about an 8-inch width. 19 Ultra is sag resistant. That means on a hot summer day like today, when you're making your repair, you can put it on the vertical surface like a parapet wall and it won't sag or run down. Once I have that first layer down, I'm going to take my 31 fiberglass membrane, cut it to the length you need, then you're going to lay this into the flashing cement you just installed. Using your trowel, you're going to push it in because you want to make sure the flashing cement underneath comes up through the surface. Once the fabric is embedded in, you're going to take more flashing cement and apply it over top of the fiberglass membrane to completely encapsulate it. Karnak 19 Ultra elastomeric rubberized flashing cement has great temperature flexibility through the freeze-thaw cycles that the roof goes through. When you complete the repair, feather out onto the edges of the roof. The crack we saw is sealed, protected, and watertight. The rubberized flashing cement will keep this watertight for years to come. The 3-gallon bucket allows us to easily carry it up onto the roof and have just enough material to make a number of roof repairs. For more information, visit karnakcorp.com.